Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. This is Odoo in practice, episode 7 of 10. Inventory. Stay until the end. I will tell you what to watch next and why. This is the warehouse. The overview shows receipts to process and delivery orders to process. Late and waiting are the truth. A picking is a document. Take these products from here to there. Validate it and on-hand changes. Sales confirmations create deliveries. Purchase confirmations create receipts. If you skip validation, Odoo still thinks the goods are in the aisle. The invoice will lie. Operations, products, reporting, configuration, routes, rules, and multi-warehouse come after one warehouse validates every day. Lots and serial numbers are for batches and warranty. Barcode is for speed. None of that replaces the habit. Process the queue on the overview. Inventory with sales and purchase visible so you see both sides of stock. Receipts and deliveries to process. Validate is what makes quantity real. Takeaways. Overview is the work list. Validate pickings. Sales and purchase do not replace inventory. Stock moves. Watch episode 8 next. Invoicing. Customer invoices, vendor bills, payments. Money on the same partners and the same lines. Do not retype. Thank you for listening to Odoo in practice. Visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.